Hi guys, I just wanted to say there is a blood and screaming warning, like a loud warning. The recording didn't work, so yeah, that's it. Bye, enjoy the video. Hi guys, I hope you saw the warning video. If not, I'm terrible at editing, but Cameron, get closer. It looks like you're a demon from here. Okay, thank you.
But yeah, welcome to Big Scary. Today,
It's Scary Baboon, Cameron.
Because I like it.
Cameron, it's Scary Baboon.
Oh, I didn't know that. I did.
You said anyway, Big Scary. Guys. I literally have showed the clip of him saying Big Scary.
Big Scary. Big Scary. Big Scary. Listen, alright, I just got into Big Scary. Let's do this.
Oh yeah, go check out his channel. He just posted a Big Scary video. Yeah, I'm gonna be posting more. Alright, look. There's an eyeball right here. What if we follow it? Alright. I like your thinking.
Let's do it. Brr. I know one right place we can go. Hurry up, Maya. Oh, looks like we got right.
Wait.
My. Oh my god!
Okay, where do you want to go?
Left. I know.
This way?
Oh, wait, he's coming.
I'm by like the elevator, but not on the elevator. If you know, like I'm by the stairs.
Okay, you made it, finally. Follow me, I have a place.
The door's closed. The door's closed for me.
Ready? You wanna get out?
Shoot!
Okay, so the eyes mean nothing.
Cameron, there's 4 monsters after you.
Ma, what? Well, actually, 5 Nights at Meatman's. Jeez, this game like gets so spooky.
Okay, I'm scared.
Ready?
Yeah.
Or
we're good. Is the door closed? No! It's my turn. Oh. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
So you see who's it? Oh yeah.
I bet you miss me. I'm stuck in this stupid ground. Cameron, you can literally come by me. I won't get you. No, I'm literally stuck in the ground. This is so unfair. I'm stuck in the stupid ground. Oh, I see you.
I'm swimming. Your weakness, little girl.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Alrighty. Bye
Goodbye,
guys, we're
guys.
going to go.